Hello everyone, it's Monday, 15 November 2021 and the time right now is 3:50 p.m. and the temperature is -1 degree Celsius. Today I am at the Crescent Heights neighborhood and I just start my walk the intersection of 10th Avenue Northwest and 3rd Street Northwest. And today is a special weather forecast for all my viewers that today is a super foggy day, literally zero visibility in the highways. And this neighborhood is one of my favorite neighborhood in Calgary. It's Crescent Heights neighborhood, and this road, it was open for the public transportation but now is closed because it's a viewpoint, like a viewpoint for Calgary skyline. And check out all these beautiful houses in Crescent Heights. It's in Calgary Northwest. I'm here today especially to show you guys, like yesterday was fully sunny, warm weather, and today is super foggy day. And this is what happened actually in Calgary. The weather is radically changed and the temperature is just sudden dropped from positive to negative weather. So beautiful houses, and check out the foggy day in Calgary. This is how much fog we have today in Calgary. Literally you couldn't see anything. A normal day you can see the downtown view from here, but today is zero visibility. You couldn't see anything. You can see the road is closed because for the all public transportation, and only car is allowed for the houses here. Oh my god, it's too cold. Look at this, the mansion house, and imagine their view. Literally, I couldn't see anything. Oh my god. It's so normal day there is bunch of bench here so you can enjoy the view from the heights, Crescent Heights. I can see a little bit peace breeze from here. It's not clear, it's all blurry. And this side has a huge park. For the neighborhood. Literally you can see this side is the downtown side and you can see from here all the high-rise building from here, but you cannot see anything. Zero. And the big storm is coming towards Alberta, Saskatchewan, and I think Manitoba. This side can see a little bit. It's amazing. And let's check out all those beautiful houses in the Crescent Heights. I wish I can live here. And every morning I can enjoy my coffee from this balcony and we enjoy the view. We're expecting snow maybe until Thursday. The weather forecast says there is a huge snowfall in Alberta, especially in the Rockies, up to 30 centimeters. And let's see what's happened. The neighborhood, it's so pretty. And thank you guys. I just want to show you guys the foggy day in Calgary today. Thank you so much and have a good night.